Hey there, thank you for watching, and in this video I'm going to talk about the 3 best add-ons to your RV in Europe. So there's a lot of add-ons and I cannot mention all of them, but I'm going to give you 3 of my favorite ones. So number 3 is solar panels. Very popular and very easy to have. So in a motorhome you usually have 2 sources for electricity. One is up front to start the engine and control the lights and the radio, and then one in the rear to have all the lights around. So when you drive or when you're plugged in on a campsite, you will charge this last battery to, turn the lights on, to have your pump running, or even to blow the heat through the heater around the motorhome. You can imagine that running out of electricity is a bit annoying, especially in winter time where you cannot run the heater anymore. So having a solar panel will make sure that when the sun is shining, at least some electricity is dripping in that battery, so it will maintain the battery and even charge a little bit when you're not plugged in, so free camping. And this is very handy if you want to free camp there for a couple of days instead of just a couple of hours. Then number 2, and number 2 I find even more important than the solar panels, and that's to add some double batteries inside of your motorhome. So I explained before, there's one battery up front for the starting area and the engine, and then there's one battery in the rear. You can imagine also runs out a little bit quicker. So therefore I always advise people to get 2 batteries. Because even a solar panel just drips in. So it's about how much battery capacity do you have to run all your electronics. Nowadays we have laptops, phones and everything that needs to be charged on that battery. So having solar panel and 1 battery is still less than just having 2 batteries. So if I need to make that choice, I'd go for 2 batteries, but preferably both. Then number 1, and in these days this is one of the more important add-ons in my opinion, and that's to have the LPG fill plug from the outside. And this means that there's a gas tank inside of the motorhome, which you can fill at a gas station just like it was a car that runs on gas. And nowadays they make it really hard to fill bottles, and in every European country they have different kind of bottles. So if I have a propane bottle which I bought in the Netherlands, I cannot switch it over in France or in Spain. And if I have one from France, I cannot switch it over in Germany or in Belgium or the Netherlands. This is just very annoying. So to have this little plug outside of your RV where you can just stop at a gas station or at a place where they fill gas, they can just fill the LPG bottle from the outside, and this just saves a lot of hassle and problems. So this is definitely my number 1. Then there's a lot of extra add-ons I cannot mention right now because I wanted to do the top 3, but you can think of like a power generator or maybe a converter that converts 12 volt to 220 in case you have a laptop that doesn't want to charge on 12 volt. And just a lot of things. Think of air conditioning or even tinted windows. There's a lot of things and it really depends on whatever you like. But these are my 3 favorites. Let me know in the comments if you feel like I forgot one, or if you feel like there's one that's even more important, so other people can read those too. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like my videos, make sure you subscribe and like, and see you next time. Bye.